How to create AI videos using Hailuo AI. First, open your web browser and go to hailuoai.com. Then, sign into your account, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the dashboard, click Create Video. Next, choose Text to Video if you want to generate a video from a text prompt, or select Image to Video if you'd like to animate an existing image. Now, enter a detailed prompt describing the video you want to create. For example, type, "A futuristic city at night with flying cars, cinematic lighting, smooth camera movement, ultra-realistic." If you're using image to video, upload your image before continuing. Now, choose your preferred aspect ratio, video duration, or quality settings, if those options are available. Click the Generate button or Create button and wait a few moments while Hailuo AI creates your video. Once the video is ready, preview it to check the results. If you'd like to make changes, edit your prompt or settings and generate another version. Finally, click the Download button to save the video to your computer. That's it! You've successfully created an AI video using Hailuo AI. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more AI tutorials.